What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I am doing my blacktop on my truck right now, redoing it. Simple, easy stuff. Right now I'm letting my first coat dry out, and I'm just doing like the top of the rails. The inside of the bed is pretty much good. I'm just doing touching up different little stuff to make sure, keep my stuff on point. When I'm doing that, networking, got a few things to do. Went pick me up a new air compressor. I need to get one. Been putting it off. Finally went got me one. This is a real good one, 6 gallons. Good warranty on it. So I'm gonna use this to get to it with. I wanna use it for a few small things, but it's always good to have your little air compressor around. And like I said, I had a little bitty one and I needed to upgrade. So, take money to make money, like I say always. So that's what I'm doing today, man, getting everything lined out to make a move. HogOn.